Welcome to 105 Glengall Avenue in Stouffville, a sunlit and spacious brick bungalow on an ultra-private 60 by 100 foot lot in a family-friendly, mature neighborhood. This is a larger than average bungalow, 1,213 square feet with a fully finished basement with a separate entrance that makes it perfect for multi-generational living. It has a spacious eat-in kitchen, large living and dining areas, and 3 generously sized bedrooms. The bright basement has big windows, a large rec space, a 4th bedroom, 3-piece bathroom, and a separate den area. You'll love the private pool-sized backyard. It's perfect for summer barbecues and playtime, a 2-car garage and private driveway with 4-car parking, and this is an amazing West Stouffville location and is a short walk to everything you need. Let's go take a look.